So hey guys, this is Priyansh with his first video, and it's the unboxing and first impressions of the newly launched OnePlus Warp Charge 30 wireless charger. Long name, right? OnePlus has introduced wireless charging to their phones for the first time, and it's the OnePlus 8 Pro which can take advantage of it. So this is the box with OnePlus branding in bold red on both the sides. It says OnePlus Warp Charge 30 wireless charger. Yeah, the same on the other sides. Plain on the other two sides, and in the back, it gives some more info. It says 30 watt max output at 200 to 240 volt. It is made in China, and its MRP in India is 39.90 rupees, which would be around $70 in the US. Now OnePlus. They were reluctant from any form of wireless charging, even the normal cheap stuff. OnePlus has introduced wireless charging for their OnePlus 8 Pro as they want to demand a premium for it. Let's keep the wrapper aside and open the box. Okay. It's got a pretty substantial power brick on it, as you would expect from a 30 watt fast charger. Yeah. So this is what you get in the box. Let's keep these things aside. So this is your OnePlus Warp Charge 30 wireless charger. It looks premium and slick at your desk. The metal framing and the white plastic body gives it a premium feel. It has a fan vent at the back for cooling. The charger has a lip to hold the phone, and I guess there are two lips. Yes, there are two lips to hold the charger at place so that it doesn't move. Yeah, it's good. This is a revolutionary device paving the way towards a wireless future. Wireless chargers have not become mainstream primarily because of the fact that they are slow. But there's an exception. It charges the OnePlus 8 Pro from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Also considering the fact that the OnePlus 8 Pro has a fairly large 4510 mAh battery. It can also charge other wirelessly charging phones, but not at 30 watt, even though they might be supporting it. The charging indicator at the bottom becomes red while charging and blue when fully charged. It is a vertical charger, which means you can use your phone a bit while it is charging. This charger is recommended for all of the OnePlus 8 Pro buyers, as when you are paying that extra for the wireless charging feature, then you should be able to take the complete advantage of it. We will be testing out this charger in the OnePlus 8 Pro review video, so stay tuned for that. With that said, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll catch you in the next one.